How to join DNS after 12th, complete guide to Diploma in Nautical Science 2025. Jai Hind दोस्तों. Are you dreaming of a career at seas? Want to travel the world while earning a great salary? Then the Diploma in Nautical Science DNS might be the perfect course for you. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about joining DNS after 12th. Eligibilities, exams, sponsorships, colleges, medical tests, and more. So stay tuned till the end to avoid missing any important steps. What is DNS? DNS stands for Diploma in Nautical Science, a one-year pre-sea training course that leads you to become a tech officer on merchant ships. After completing DNS, you join a ship as a deck cadet, gain sea time, clear exams, and move up the rank to become a captain one day. The course is approved by Directorate General of Shipping, Government of India, is usually conducted at IMU affiliated marine institutes. Eligibility criteria, education qualification, you must have passed 10+2 physics, chemistry and maths. PCM is the most important. Minimum 60% aggregate in PCM, at least 50% marks in English in 10th or 12th. If you do not meet this criteria, unfortunately, you are not eligible for entrance exams and sponsorships. Getting into DNS isn't just about clearing IMU CET, you must also secure a sponsorship from a shipping company. Here's the usual process. Apply for sponsorship with shipping companies such as Anglo-Eastern, Great Eastern, Synergy, Fleet Management, etc. Appear for your written test, psychometric test, interview and medical test. If selected, you will get a letter of sponsorship. Register and appear for IMU CET conducted by Indian Maritime University. Based on your IMU CET rank plus sponsorship, you get admission in DNS Institute. This is very important. Many of the candidates do this mistake. Without sponsorship, it is very risky to join DNS because you might struggle to find a ship for your training later. Please first have your sponsorship with you. So what happens after DNS? After DNS, completing the one-year DNS course, you join ship as a deck cadet. Do 18 months of sea service. Appear for your second mate COC, Certificate of Competency exams. Then you gradually move up to Chief Officer, then Captain. The career path is clear, exciting and highly rewarding. You would be thinking about the fee structure. Cost of DNS course. The total cost of DNS course range between 5 to 7 lakhs depending on the institute. If you are sponsored, the company usually covers some cost and guarantee ship placement, which is a huge benefit. So that's everything you need to know about joining DNS after 12th. It's a fantastic career for those who love the sea, travel and challenges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more maritime career guidance, drop your questions in the comment box. I will reply to all of them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. So here are the bonus tips. Start preparing early. Practice for aptitude and psychometric test. Stay physically fit and get your eyesight checked early. Keep an eye on company websites for sponsorships opening.